In this video, we're going to talk about Worckie, which is a project management software that allows you to have alignment, efficiency, and increased productivity for your business. So let's jump in and see what Worckie is all about. First of all, Worckie allows you to have alignment within your company. So your company vision is ensured so that everyone in the company has focus on the same vision and all tasks have meaning and purpose. Every department will be able to set goals and they can be aligned with the same goals because projects and tasks are organized and understandable for all members. And then, of course, the alignment to get a project completed. The project can be envisioned and team members get a clear picture of all the tasks that are required, and there's automation and real-time chat capability inside of Worckie. Next up is efficiency. At the company level, all admins can monitor all projects and tasks to make sure that everything is working and going along efficiently and the workforce is engaged. At every department level, department leaders can actually manage their team and ensure that each project and task is optimized. And at the project level, tasks can be organized according to status, and this allows for quick and easy evaluation of the progress of any project. And of course, the last is productivity. We want to make sure when we are planning projects that we are productive and every single member on the team is able to have a full plate of work to do, not too much, not too little. So at the company level, managers can quickly evaluate the project and team members and ensure that the vision is implemented across all departments. At the department level, departments can ensure that projects are on target for completion and if the team will meet expectations. And then, of course, at the project level, team members can see the project progress and review their own tasks to make sure they can complete their part in accomplishing the project goals. So now let's talk about a functional overview to make sure we understand what we can do inside of Worckie. So at the company level, we can create departments, we can create projects, and we can create tasks. Inside the departments, we're going to be able to create multiple departments. We can assign departments to leaders. We can assign members to departments. We can add projects, and we can also manage the progress using our analytics. At the project level, we can create multiple projects inside of a department. We can assign projects to departments. We can assign members to the projects, and we can monitor the progress of all projects using our analysis board. Next is tasks. You can create multiple tasks inside projects. You can assign those tasks to projects. You can create custom statuses for tasks using a Kanban-like interface, and you can add members to tasks and monitor the progress at all times using the analytics. And across all of these channels, we have live chat, which allows you to monitor and manage all progress by being able to contact anyone inside of Worckie and create a real-time live chat conversation to discuss the company, the department, the projects, or the tasks. When you're using Worckie, each person that is a member of your company has access to a branded Worckie login portal. And anyone that's added as a member of a company will be able to log in, including company administrators, department leaders, and members. This login portal is branded as Worckie. Every single user has a unique username and password. There is an easy password recovery system. There's a remember me functionality, and the page loads extremely fast. Navigation in Worckie is simple, and it's very intuitive for all users. When you access Worckie, there's a basic menu on the left-hand side, and then on the home screen, there's some quick action areas to be able to get started very, very quickly, whether you want to go to your department, you want to go to the member area, if you want to work in projects, or if you want to go straight to tasks. For every single member, there are permission levels, so they can access exactly the areas that they're allowed to access based on the permissions that you set for them inside the member area. Task management is very simple. When you create a task, you're going to have a very simple Kanban-like interface that you can add it to. And inside there, you can categorize it however you want. So you can create the different columns, including the planning column, the to-do column, the in-progress column, and the completed column. Changing the status of any task is as simple as clicking and dragging it across to the next status column, similar to the way you do it in Trello or using any Kanban system. There's also the internal chat that allows you to connect with any team member that is online working inside of Workkie. You can talk with them about anything, including your project or tasks. There is a task timer available on tasks that allow you to monitor how much time that you're spending on specific projects and tasks. It's a very simple one click it starts, one click it ends. And you can track each individual member of Workkie in your company, and you can track the amount of time that they spend on these tasks. This tool is extremely valuable when you talk about tracking your employees and the time that they spend on tasks to make sure they're being productive. And it's also extremely valuable when you're evaluating tasks and are tasks being completed according to the expected timeline. It's also extremely valuable for department leaders and for administrators to track the productivity of their team. We also have detailed analysis that's available at the company level, the department level, project level, and task levels. So you can have multiple points of interest to analyze in evaluating the progress of your project. You also have the ability to archive any data. So once you complete a task or you complete a project, you can archive that data. That data remains available so that at any time, if you want to go back to review that project or that task, you can go back and review it. If you want to reactivate it and reuse it, you can do that as well. So that's a summary of Workkie and what it's designed to do to help your company be consistent in alignment, efficiency, and productivity, and to help your company stay on track to reach your goals faster. I'll see you inside Workkie.